Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make kimchi quick and easy. Chop the cabbage and sprinkle 1 to 2 tablespoons of salt between layers, then let it rest while you prepare the paste. Mix garlic, ginger, fish sauce, gochugaru, and a splash of sugar for balance. Massage the paste into the cabbage leaves, pack tightly in a jar, and leave at room temperature to start fermenting. Make a vibrant paste by combining gochugaru, garlic, and ginger with fish sauce and a touch of sugar for balance. For a quicker, bright result, add grated apple or pear to feed the fermentation and add complexity. Blend the mixture until smooth, taste for salt and heat, and remember you can tailor spice to your preference. Massage the paste into cabbage thoroughly to ensure even flavor. To speed up tasting-ready kimchi, pack smaller jars tightly and keep them at room temperature for 1 to 3 days, checking flavor daily. Once you like the tang, move jars to the fridge to slow fermentation and preserve that stage. For a milder taste, start checking after 24 hours. For stronger tang, wait longer. Always use clean utensils when sampling to avoid contamination and maintain a steady ferment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.